Hi everyone, hope you had a wonderful week. This is Victoria from crushcrypto.com and welcome to this week's market update on the crypto space. The altcoin bull run continued this past week. With the rally of altcoins, Bitcoin's dominance is now near its all-time low at 35%. Altcoins took a short breather when Bitcoin surged from $15,000 to $17,000, but continued their rally afterwards. Bitcoin ended the week with a 35% gain, while Ripple continued to rally with a 43% increase over the week, representing an increase of over 13 times in just the past month. According to an article by Forbes, the co-founder and former CEO of Ripple, Chris Larsen, now has over $37 billion worth of XRP coins. Meanwhile, Ether broke $1,000 with an increase of 45% over the week and a surge in trading volumes. It continued to rally by 9% in trading today, putting the coin at its new all-time high. Stellar outperformed the other major coins with a weekly gain of 120% and nearly 300% increase in trading volume. With a market cap of almost $12 billion, it is now the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Most of the tokens continued their rally into the week, with many experiencing double to triple-digit price increases. Tron surged 380% in the past week, pushing the token to the #1 spot here. With a market cap of $14.8 billion, it is currently larger than 5 of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Binance Coin also outperformed with a weekly gain of 190%. A few days ago, Binance had to temporarily disable new user registrations due to an overwhelming surge in their popularity. On to this week's developments in the crypto market. In the US, the New York Stock Exchange has asked SEC regulators permission to list 5 ETFs that track Bitcoin futures on one of its markets. The ETFs are designed to provide a multiple of returns on Bitcoin. For example, the 2x Bull Fund is a leveraged ETF that is 200% the daily return of the benchmark. So a 1% increase in the price of Bitcoin futures would result in a 2% gain for the 2x Bull Fund. If the price of Bitcoin declines, the losses would also be magnified. If the SEC approves these 5 ETFs, it would make access to Bitcoin easier and may attract more institutional money. In Venezuela, President Nicolas Maduro announced that they will be issuing $5.9 billion worth of a new oil-backed cryptocurrency in the coming days. Each unit of the new cryptocurrency will be pegged to Venezuela's oil basket. With 100 million units to be issued and an average price of $59 per barrel last week, that roughly translates to a value of $5.9 billion. Maduro said the cryptocurrency issuance would take place through virtual exchanges, but did not provide further details. Some believe the launch of this new cryptocurrency is a way to circumvent US sanctions that have hurt Venezuela's access to international banks. For those who may not know, according to OPEC, Venezuela has the world's largest oil reserves and makes around 95% of its export revenue from oil. The CEO of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, posted on his Facebook account a couple of days ago that talks about his personal challenges for 2018. In his post, he talks about centralization versus decentralization of technology and that he will be studying the positives and negatives of decentralized systems. He closes off by mentioning that he may be looking into integrating cryptocurrencies into Facebook services. If Facebook decides to integrate crypto into their platform, it would be very significant for mass adoption. As of the third quarter of 2017, Facebook had over 2 billion monthly active users. As you may recall, a few weeks ago, a Nasdaq-listed company called Long Island Iced Tea rebranded itself to Long Blockchain Corp. The company said it would still continue to make its iconic beverage, but will be shifting focus on blockchain-related opportunities. Just this week, the company submitted a new filing to the SEC that shows it is entering into the Bitcoin mining business. Long Blockchain Corp is in the process of buying 1,000 units of Antminer S9 from Bitmain. Their new mining facilities could potentially be located in Iceland. Since Long Island Iced Tea rebranded itself in December last year, their stock price has more than doubled. Back in November, I talked a bit about RSK Labs, a Bitcoin-based smart contract platform that was preparing to launch soon. This week, RSK Labs finally mined its Genesis block and officially launches its platform, which is expected to provide significant scaling benefits to Bitcoin. The first mainnet version of RSK supports around 100 transactions per second. Further scaling improvements, including the integration with the team's Luminal off-chain technology, could eventually enable processing speeds of more than 20,000 transactions per second. The RSK Network Node and Wallet client is now available for download on GitHub. If you are interested, they also have a Blockchain Explorer and Stats panel, which allows you to observe their network in real time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please check out our weekly report at crushcrypto.com for more information and links to other articles and news from this week. Hope you're having a great start to 2018, and we'll see you again next week.